Do you ever wonder where your money goes each month or how to make smarter financial decisions? Well, you're not alone. Lots of people find personal finance confusing or overwhelming. So let's break down some personal finance basics. Hi, I'm here. I'm a CPA and a personal finance educator who helps people improve their relationship with money. I created this video to cover the basics of personal finance so that you can feel more confident managing your money. This video includes my key principles for living on a budget, saving, investing, and achieving your financial goals. Why does personal finance matter? Let's start with why personal finance is important. If you don't have control over your finances, it can lead to high-interest credit card debt, late bill payments, and missed opportunities. But when you understand the basics of personal finance, you can achieve financial freedom. You'll be able to avoid debt, save for your goals, plan for emergencies, and grow your wealth. So let's talk about the steps to getting your personal finances on track. Step 1. Budgeting. Create a monthly budget that aligns with your values. A budget tells you where your money is going and how much you should be setting aside for different categories, such as housing, food, and transportation. And if you want a simple budgeting method to get started, check out my zero-based budget tutorial. Step 2. Saving. Pay yourself first. Automate your savings to reach your short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals include buying a car or paying for a vacation. Long-term goals include retirement or your children's education. The easiest way to boost your savings is to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings accounts each payday. Step 3. Debt management. Focus on high-interest debt first. Paying off debt takes discipline, but it will save you money on interest payments over time. Prioritize paying off debt with the highest interest rates first while making minimum payments on all other debts. You'll be debt-free in no time. Step 4. Smart spending. Ask questions before you buy. Determine whether you need an item or if it's just a want. If you decide you need the item, make sure it fits within your budget. Once you've found an item you need, compare prices from different stores to make sure you're getting the best deal. Step 5. Investing. Start early and diversify. To increase your wealth, invest your money wisely. Investing involves taking risks, but you can reduce risk by diversifying your investments. Investing options include stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. And Step 6. Track your progress and celebrate your wins along the way. Achieving your financial goals doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and effort, so don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way. Rewarding yourself helps you stay motivated and on track to meet your financial goals. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive deeper into each step with some helpful tips. Why does personal finance matter? Let's look at why personal finance is important. Without financial knowledge, you could end up in a difficult situation. Your car may break down, and you won't have any emergency savings to pay for the repairs. Or you might have unexpected medical expenses that you can't afford. If you don't have control over your finances, these situations could cause a lot of stress. But if you understand the basics of personal finance, you can avoid these pitfalls. Instead of stressing about your finances, you can focus on achieving your dreams. With financial confidence, you can pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, and enjoy life without worrying about money. Now let's go through each of the 6 steps in detail. Step 1. Budgeting. Create a monthly budget that aligns with your values. Your budget should cover your essential expenses and savings goals. Knowing where your money goes allows you to make informed financial decisions. For example, if you notice that you're spending too much on dining out, you can cut back to save more money. Step 2. Saving. Always pay yourself first. Make saving money a priority by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings accounts. When setting up direct deposits for your paycheck, split a portion to your checking account and another portion to your savings account. That way, you won't be tempted to spend money you've saved. Having savings also provides peace of mind knowing that you have a safety net in case of emergencies. Step 3. Debt management. Pay off high-interest debt first. Debt can quickly get out of control if you don't have a plan to pay it off. Create a debt payoff strategy and stick to it. Prioritizing high-interest debt ensures that you pay off the most expensive debt first. This approach saves you money on interest payments over time. Consider strategies like the snowball or avalanche method to stay motivated and pay off debt faster. Step 4. Smart spending. Ask questions before you buy. Avoid impulse purchases by asking yourself whether you need the item you want to buy. If you determine you do need it, compare prices from different sellers to ensure you're getting the best deal. If you find a lower price elsewhere, you may be able to negotiate the price down at your original store. By following these tips, you can make smart spending decisions that align with your budget and financial goals. Step 5. Investing. Start early and diversify. Investing is crucial for growing your wealth over time. Begin by setting investment goals based on your financial situation and desired lifestyle. Consider factors like retirement age and income needs to determine how much you need to invest. Explore different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds to build a diversified portfolio aligned with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. By starting early and diversifying your investments, you can maximize your chances of success in the market. Step 6. Set financial goals and track your progress. Achieving your financial goals requires clear objectives and consistent tracking. Establish specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Regularly monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. By celebrating your wins along the way, you'll stay motivated and inspired to achieve your financial aspirations. Now that you know the steps to personal finance success, you're ready to take charge of your financial future. Remember, small steps lead to big results. Start by creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and setting financial goals. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. With dedication and consistency, you'll be on your way to financial success in no time. But if you need more guidance, don't hesitate to seek help from a financial advisor or mentor. They can provide personalized advice and support as you navigate your financial journey. Taking control of your personal finance is a powerful way to build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. By understanding the basics of personal finance, you can make informed decisions about spending, saving, and investing. With consistent effort and discipline, you can achieve your financial goals and live a fulfilling life. Don't wait another minute to start your journey towards financial freedom. Take action today and secure your financial future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. And if you're looking for more resources to help you on your financial journey, visit our website for helpful tools and guides.